All right, we are between
Condon
and Fossil, and it looks right now like we're coming up on a cattle drive here. So cool. I think this rig is like a pilot car.
I think so too.
Yeah. Ooh, get up there. I want to see. Yep.
You don't see this every day.
I'm trying to get it.
You don't see this every day, do you?
Cattle jam. He's trying to roll through.
This is cool.
Oh, it's a tumbling tumbleweed. Da, 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 da. What did he say?
They're stubborn.
They're stubborn, yeah, oh yeah.
They're stubborn.
Oh, it's tumbling tumbleweeds. Dun 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 dun. I think there's mamas, and the calves are on the left, and the mamas are over here on this side, and they can't get their program together. Look at her. She's like, get it.
Love it. I love it. It's great. Get that beef home, because I want to eat it soon.
Yeah. You can hear mooing.
Yeah. Even over my truck, I can.
Wish the windshield was cleaner. Jim, don't. Oh my God, what the hell are you doing? Oh my God, we're getting scolded by the cowboy now.
This is scolded.
He wants you to wait, I think.
I don't mind waiting. I love watching.
What was that?
I don't mind waiting. I love watching.
Yeah.
Just keep moving through.
Okay.
Stop. They stop.
Okay.
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 Honk.
Okay.
Okay.
Good way to get shot.
Okay.
Has nothing to do with the cows.
Told him that. Come, boss.
Oh, one's mounting up.
Well, his front feet are tired.
Tired.
Front feet are tired. Oi, 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 look at the...
Big old butt. Sorry about tooting, bud.
Go! golly, you're getting tight.
Look at the flies on that one.
I know, I see it. I saw it.
Oh my gosh.
All right, little ladies.
Buddy, buddy. Real cowboy there.
Oh. All right, that was really cool, except for almost getting shot.
What I said, that'll get you shot.
He doesn't mean the vaccine either, okay?
No,
All right. On the road again. Uh-oh, now more? This is the little hamlet of Mayfield or something. Here it is, Mayville. Yeah.
it only operates in May. Mayville, so every day it's good in Mayville. Like being Dayville and Mayville.
But this is really beautiful up here on the left. There's some really old homesteads here in these oak trees. You can see. John Day, 108.